Introducing the Lancelot L1800 DTF transfer printing machine, a complete solution for effortless high-quality garment printing at your fingertips. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link to this printer in the description below at the latest price. Whether you're printing on cotton, polyester, or leather, this all-in-one bundle offers precision, ease of use, and reliable performance. The Lancelot L1800 DTF printer is designed with innovation in mind. Its built-in white ink stirring and circulatory system ensures smooth, uninterrupted printing without clogging, which is especially critical for vibrant results on dark garments. Unlike traditional DEG printers that demand pre-treatment and are limited to natural fibers, this DTF solution works seamlessly across a broader range of fabrics like t-shirts, jeans, caps, hoodies, and more, making it ideal for both personal and commercial use. Ease of operation is another key strength. From setup to production, the process is streamlined for beginners and experienced users alike. With a roll feeder that handles both A3 and A4 sheets, paper jams are a thing of the past. Simply import your design, press print, and you're ready to go. No special maintenance is required, and keeping the system clean ensures it continues delivering top-tier results. Included in this bundle is not just the printer, but also an oven for curing, a pre-configured laptop, and a complete set of consumables. The DTF-compatible computer comes with all required drivers and software already installed, ensuring plug-and-play performance. This robust compatibility guarantees smooth and stable data transmission even during large print jobs. The white exterior and compact design fit perfectly in any workspace, and the user-centric engineering makes this a reliable choice for anyone looking to grow a DIY apparel business or expand their creative capabilities. For added peace of mind, Lancelot provides dedicated, professional after-sales support via WhatsApp. Although the system currently supports only Windows 7, 10, and 11, users can count on ongoing technical guidance and prompt assistance. Whether you're starting a custom t-shirt line or upgrading your existing setup, the Lancelot L1800 DTF printer delivers professional quality prints with unmatched convenience and reliability.